Andre, what do we do? Do we go?
I'm going.
No. No. Andre.
I'm not going. I'm going.
No, you go. You go. You ask for this, Andre. Dre. Just go. Dre, you go. No, you go. You go. You go. Just go. Please.
Let's just go to that. Let's just go to that.
Okay.
Go.
Go. No, you. No, I stay behind. I'll stay behind you. No. You go first.
I think she's crying.
She's crying. I can hear her sounds.
Go.
No, you go. You go, man.
Okay.
Sir, you go.
Let's go.
Sir, you go. Sir, you go. Sir, just go. Oh my god, it turned red.
Bro.
Mom, are you crying? She's crying too loud. Hi, ma'am.
Oh, that just for nothing? What
The woman was too stunned to speak.
the? I'm going to the red door. Bro. Bro.
I legit almost fell out of my chair. Just because of my volume was all the way up, man. My volume was all the way up.
What?
My volume.
So red, bro.
I don't know, you're all red. Okay, let's just go. Open, please open, get me out. Oh, wait, I remember this. Wait, I remember this. We have to go in a maze, and then we're gonna be jump scared. We're gonna be jump scared as soon as we cross the bridge. You're gonna be jump scared. You go first, go. No, you go. You go. Okay, just go. Fine, I'll go. You follow me, okay? And if I get jump scared, it's all you. It's all your responsibility, man. It's all your responsibility. I'm keeping my tablet away from